Welcome back to the Income Oasis series, fellow Kindlepreneur. I'm Hannah, your guide through the Amazon KDP landscape. In today's lesson, we're diving into the practicalities, setting up your Amazon KDP account to be ready to receive your royalty payments. If you're excited about publishing your own books and generating income on Amazon KDP, this video is your gateway. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so from the last video, I realized some parts of the concluding part were not so clear, so I promised to go over it again. So in this video lesson, I'm going to go over the platform, right? The dashboard, like reports, bookshelf, and other stuff you need to know. And other information you need to navigate on the platform to understand and to that will enhance your publishing journey, right? So let's head over to where we stopped. This is where we stopped. Um, so we'll be proceeding. If you've gotten to this stage, that means if your account is created. Now we need to set up your account, right? By adding your payment details. You see this updates your account information is incomplete. Update now, right? So we are going to update. You click on this update. But before we update, let's quickly go through the bookshelf. This is the bookshelf. Where we are now is a bookshelf. So under the bookshelf, you have the crate. You can see this crate button. This crate button. So when you click on the crate button, sorry, pardon me, and you click on the crate button, it will take you to different versions of the books you can create. We have the Kindle version. We have the paperback. It's still loading. You have the Kindle, you can see the Kindle version, you have the Kindle version, we have the paperback, here is the paperback, and then we have the hardcover. You can also create series, right? So if you want to start creating any book, you decide if it's a Kindle or paperback you want to create. You're going to click on create, and then it takes you directly to start entering your details, your book's metadata. But we're not creating books right now, so we're going to go back and then go and explore other parts of the dashboard. So the next one we have here after the bookshelf is the reports. So this is the reports. You click on the reports. The report, what it does is it will give you the report of your sales, your royalty, your sales over the month, or your daily sales, right? I think sales is recorded, it's being uploaded every 1 hour, it's updated every 1 hour. So if you've published your book, now we'll not say anything there because we don't have any books published in this account. So if you have published one or more books, when you click on it, you'll be seeing the dashboard. It will tell if you have made sale or not, right? Sales are recorded daily, I think hourly, and then after every month ends, you see the cumulative of how much you have made in that month, and then you get paid for each month after 60 days, right? So let's say I made sales for the month of January this month, then that sales, that money will be paid to me by March, right? Do you understand? So that's how it's gonna be. That's how it usually is. So let's go back because we don't have books here, we don't have anything. When you have books here, you will see your dashboard. We'll go back. We have community. This is where you meet other publishers or other authors, where you can get to collaborate, see, ask questions and the like. We don't need this now. Over time, you can just go through it. The next one we have is marketing. So this marketing is for other details that you can use to market your books, like the ads, Amazon ads. We have the Author Central. We are going to go to the Author Central when we start after we publish our first book, because you need to publish first and have an author name before you set up the Author Central for that pen name you're using, or if it's your name, if it's the pen name, good. The next thing we have is the A plus content. This will be done much later, but just know A plus content is just a way of showcasing your book interior, what is inside your book. Just a way of showcasing what your book has, the unique features of your book, so that customers can it will help their buying decision, right? They can decide, oh, if this book is nice based on the pictures or the features in the book, right? The next is free promotion. Also is a way of promoting your book for free, right? But I don't do free promotion though, but you can just go through it to understand better. Yes, if you haven't, please don't forget to go through the terms and condition. Go and familiarize yourself with it, because it's very important you know what to do and what not to do on this platform. Because if you do what you're not supposed to do, your account will get terminated, and I don't want to be responsible for it. So please go through it. If you're in the community, if you have already joined our community, whose link will be added to the description of this video and in the previous videos, we'll be going through it a lot. I would pick out the key points and share in the community also. But please also go through it in your own leisure time, right? So the next thing we want to do is to add updates. So you can see your account, language, sign out, and you can go through all that. Not to make this video too long. So the next thing we want to do is add our payment details. If you haven't already, please try to get an account detail to get paid. Preferably, if you're a Nigerian, you need maybe a grey account, virtual USD account, either on Grey or GigPay or Get Clever. Any of those platforms will give you you can create a free account, USD virtual account there to receive your royalties, right? So please go through that. Get any of those accounts ready before you start this process, because you must have your account handy. But for people in the community, I've already put them through that. I think I didn't make a video on that because I feel it's something that's very easy to do. So, but I just put them through, and everybody have their account in the community now. So that's why we are proceeding to this very video. So you need to join the community if you don't want to miss out on important information that will not be uploaded here, just to save time. I don't know why it's taking time, but it's supposed to load the payment details page where we add our payment details, where we can bypass the 30% tax um rate. You can see what is here. First of all, click on the individual or corporate individual. It's an individual account. You select the date of birth. So for the account we used in the initial video was for a new account, right? So let me see what's the date of birth. I'll just go with something random for now. Okay, let's go with November. I can't really remember precisely what's her. Okay, so the next thing is country or region. Nigeria. If you're in other countries, please add it there. Legal name. The name of the person we use is okay. Address. So I'll just impute an address. Okay. Okay. Abuja. FCT. Postal code 90028. Sorry about that. Phone number, can I recall? Just a minute. Let me see if I can recall this. So I don't have an account per se right now. So I'm just showing you the process. I don't have an account for this person we are using right now. So I just see the process. You can see, right? So you just input your account details here, routing number, and your just input the details. You can see what it's showing. Then you when you finish it up, you click the add, and then that will be all for that. Then you go to the tax information. Okay, you have to save first. Oh my. So not to take too much of your time, I'll just explain this process to you. It's very easy. It's something you can do at the back end without this video, just by listening to the explanation. So if you're in Nigeria specifically, this is for you. If you're in the other countries, you can also use this method, but I'm not sure it's going to work because I've not tried that. So once you put in your details, your payment details, the next you want to go to your tax information. Your payment details will be saved and approved. Your tax information, now what you're going to do is you input your country of origin, right? Is Nigeria. You input it with your normal address. So when it's time to input your country of residence, so now your country, that means which country are you currently resident in? Then you're going to use South Africa, right? And how do you get an address in South Africa? You're going to go to Google and go and Google random address. Just type random address and send and click on that. You will get random address in this, then select South Africa, right? So you get random address in South Africa. Your NIN number, your 11 figure NIN number, you input it as your tax number, and then you will save that with the address you got from South Africa, the random address. Save that, and you will now start the tax interview. The tax interview is just very easy, just for you to confirm that the information are accurate and the like. Then put your name and your signature, and then when you finish, you will notice that the 30% tax will be changed to 0%. It will change to zero, right? And that is what you want to do because you're in Nigeria, and obviously you don't want the tax to be 30% to be deducted from your royalties, right? And then you save, and that will be all for this section. So after that, you want to then when you come back to your dashboard, you will notice that this less than 1,000 competitors, or I recommend 500 at the most. For a beginner, for a newbie, I recommend 500 competitors, competitions or competitors or books in that category or in that niche. So don't go above 500 books in any niche you intend to publish your books in. So not to keep this video any longer, that will be our next lesson. And please, this is very crucial lesson, a very crucial aspect. You don't want to miss it. Please and please, you don't want to miss it. And don't forget to join the community also. So until then, keep exploring the possibility of Amazon KDP. This is Hannah again from Income Overseas, and see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much for having me.